New case study related to the scale factor and similarity. Maps and models are made on a scale. Measure the distance between any two cities marked in the map and compare it with the actual distance between these cities to get the ratio between the two distances. The scale is written as a ratio. The ratio is already written on the every map on. It is known as scale factor. Similar figures. We know that the similar figure is the ratio of two corresponding sides in similar figures is called the scale factor. Scale factor equal to the length of the image and the corresponding length of the object. This is the actual length of the object and this is the image length or the scale, measurement of scale by the actual measurement. If one shape can be become another using resizing, then the shapes are similar. If resize करेंगे तो शेप क्या रहेगी, सिमिलर. रोटेट भी कर देंगे, अगर उसको चेंज कर देंगे, इधर उधर घुमा देंगे तो भी सिमिलर ही रहता है फिगर. एंड रिफ्लेक्शन, अगर उसका रिफ्लेक्शन आता है, शेडो आती है, वो भी क्या रहेगी, सेम. एंड ट्रांसलेशन और द स्लाइड, थोड़ा सा उसको स्लाइड करेंगे तो भी फिगर क्या रहेगा, सिमिलर. Hence two shapes are similar when one can become other after a resize, flip, slide or turn. कुछ भी करें सिमिलर फिगर सेम ही रहेगा. A model of a garden. Question number 1. The model of a garden is made on a scale of 1:100. This is the ratio. Scale factor 1:100. The length of the model garden is 80 centimeter. What is the actual length of the garden? Okay. Now the formula is ratio equal to image. Length of the image is 80 centimeter. And what is the actual length of garden? Now the actual length of garden is 8000 centimeter or the 80 meter. The answer is 80 meter or the 8000 centimeter is right. Both are the option is right. Okay. 80 meter or the 8000. Next question. If the breadth of a garden is 60 meter, then the breadth of the model is the same. The ratio equal to model. Model means breadth of the actual garden. हमको क्या पता करनी है, model means image length and actual image is 60 meter. 60 meter means 6000 centimeter. Now x equal to 60,000 by 100. It means 60 centimeter. It is 60 centimeter. Then the breadth of the model is 60 centimeter. The shadow of a stick 2 meter long is 0.50 meter. At the same time, the shadow of the tree is 25 high. The figure is given. The stick is 2 meter and shadow is 0.5 meter. And the tower is 25 meter. What is the length of this shadow? These triangles are similar because these are the right angle and this angle is also equal. Similar. Similar means the ratio in their sides. 2 divided by 0.5 equal to 25 by x. Now solve. 25 into 0.5 divided by 2. Divided by 2. It is 12.5 meter by 2. It means 6.25 meter. This is the answer. Next. Question number 4. What are the common elements in two similar triangles? All the corresponding sides are equal. All corresponding side angles are equal. Ratio of the corresponding sides is equal. B and C both. The corresponding angles are equal. If the triangle are similar, it means the corresponding angles are equal. And ratio of the corresponding sides is equal. Therefore, B and C both. Okay. Corresponding sides equal नहीं होती हैं, ratio में होती हैं. Next, last question. What is the relation between the ratio of the perimeters and corresponding sides of two similar triangles? Perimeter and sides ratio. The ratio of the perimeter is equal to the ratio of half of the corresponding side? No. The ratio of the perimeter is equal to the ratio of the corresponding side? Yes. The ratio of perimeter is twice the ratio of corresponding sides? No. None of these? No. This is the right option. Perimeters, the ratio of the perimeter is equal to the ratio of corresponding sides. Okay. Finish.